rent and rates, standing charges, insurance premium, standing charges, lighting also comes under standing charges. So whatever informations are there in the first column, we calculate per year, and the last column we calculate per hour. A warm welcome to one and all. This is your Adasa here, lecturing Vidhyaashram First Grade College, the Temple of Excellence. Now we are discussing your cost accounting, session 7, unit 5 of your topic called machine overhead. Under overhead, we have one more subtopic. That subtopic we call it as machine overhead. Under machine overhead, what we are going to discuss? In this, we are going to discuss the topic called your calculation, standing charges as well as variable charges. In the previous class, I explained you what is standing charges and what is variable expenses. In today's session also, we'll work out the same kind of problem so that you will understand better. Your agenda is very simple, machine overhead. In this, these are the information we have. From the following particulars, compute machine overhead. Below that, we have following informations like original cost of the machine 1,84,000. Then estimated life of the machine 10 years. Machine will work for these many hours. Scrap value is given. Then repair and maintenance of rupees 7,200. Everything we are supposed to convert to what? Per annum, per year. Then repair and maintenance is over. Rent and rates of the department 2,000 per month. So these are the informations. Insurance premium for the machine 17,280 per annum. Next, lighting 6,000 per annum and salary of foreman 2,16,000 per month. So 2,16,000 per month. What you are supposed to do? You are supposed to multiply of his time devoted to his machine. I'll show you how much time he devoted. And power consumption 12 units per hour and rate per unit is 3.5. These are the informations are given. Now, in this salary of foreman, just we'll add one more information. Salary of foreman 2,16,000 per month they have given. So make it as 16,000 per month and 1/4 time is devoted to this machine. So we'll work out on that. Then power consumption 12 units per hour and rate per unit is 3.5 rupee. These are the informations are there. Now, in this, we'll go with starting your machine hour rate. Calculation of machine hour rate. Calculation of machine hour rate. In this, what we are supposed to write? Particular amount or yes, the last column will be rate per hour. So these are the amount are rate per year. So whatever informations are there in the first column, we calculate per year, and the last column we calculate per hour. Now we'll go one by one. We'll start with your standing charges. What are the standing charges are there? The standing charges are fixed charges. Standing charges. Also we call it as fixed charges. Which are those? In this, we have original cost. All these information for depreciation, and these are variable. Scrap value also for depreciation. Repair and maintenance variable. Rent and rates standing charges. Insurance premium standing charges. Lighting also comes under standing charges. And salary of foreman standing charges. And the last one, power, is variable charges. Hope you are clear. Good. Now we'll go one by one. What are the standing charges are there? Repair and maintenance is variable, rent and rates. First one, rent and rates. How to calculate? Now, rent and rates they have given 2000 per month. Rent and rates of the department 2000 per month, 1/5 space occupied by the machinery. What we are supposed to do? I'll show you. 2000 multiplied with 12. So you will get how much? 24,000. How much used for machine purpose? We used 1/5. Then it will be 1 divided by 5. Hope you are clear. Yes. So in this 24,000 multiplied into 1 divided by 5, 4,800. So it will be 4800. Next, this over insurance premium. For the machine, 17,280 per annum. Don't multiply anything. 17,280. Insurance 17,280. That is over. Next, lighting charges 6,000 per month. 12 points in the department and a machine used 2 lights point. There are total 12 points, but how much machinery used? Only 2. What is the value? 6,000 per month. We'll write lighting. So how much it is? 6,000 per month. 6,000 multiplied with 12. So how much it is? 72,000 into 2 divided by 12. This is month. This is point, lighting point. These both are not same. This is month we have taken. This one number of lighting point we have taken. Calculate 72,000 multiplied with 2 divided by 12. So I got around 72,000 into 2 divided by 12. I got 12,000. Your answer. Answer is 12,000. After that, salary of foreman. There is also standing charges. Now, 16,000 per month and 1/4 devoted to machine. Now, salary of foreman. Salary of foreman. Very simple. 16,000 multiplied with 12. 16,000 multiplied with 12. How much you will get? I'll calculate. 16,000 multiplied with 12. I get around 1,92,000. 1,92,000 multiply. So how much we need? We need like 16,000 of his time devoted to his machine, 1/4, 1 divided by 4. 1,92,000 multiply 1 divided by 4. I got 48,000. So up to this we completed. We done with your standing charges. So what is the answer? Like 4,800, 17,280, then 12,000, then we have 48,000. We have 82,080. 82,080. Now, so we have almost 82,080 rupees. So divided by what? Total kilometer per hour. So we have to calculate while calculating depreciation. Now, so we'll go to variable charges. Variable charges. What are those variable charges in this? We have depreciation, first part. We'll calculate depreciation. Depreciation, simple. Original cost of the machine 1,84,000. Scrap value is 4,000. 1,84,000 minus 4,000. Number of years 10. Number of hours 3,600. Simple. 1,84,000 minus 4,000. 10 years into 3,600. What is your answer? Your answer is simple. 1,80,000 divided by 36,000. Your answer is how much? So 1,80,000 divided by 36,000. 1,80,000 divided by 36,000. I got 5 rupee. Again, I'll calculate. 1,80,000 divided by 36,000. I got 5 rupee. Your answer is outer column of 5 rupee. Now, what is the total hours? 3,600 hours per annum. Remember that. Now, what is your answer? 8280. This one, 82,080 divided by 3,600. So, you have calculated per year. We don't want per year. We want per hour. Now, you know total expenditure. You know how many hours it worked. Divide, you will get your final answer. Now, 82,080 divided by 3600. 22.8. I got 22.8. So this one also done, your depreciation part, and 2 more to go. Which are those? Like estimation over, this over. Then repair on and maintenance charges 7,200. Repair and maintenance always variable. Now 7,200 per annum they have given. So repair and maintenance charges during its working life is 7,200. So during its working life they have not given that per year. Working life means it may be per 10 years. So you are supposed to calculate repair and maintenance. Repair and maintenance. So how much we have? Repair and maintenance charges during its working life is 7,200. So 7,200 divided by number of years 10, number of hours 3,600 per year. So we get around 70 paise something. So 3,600 into 10, we get 36,000. This is 7,200. 7,200 divided by 36,000. I got only 20 paise. So it will be 0.2. You got it? So they have not mentioned per year. They have mentioned lifetime till the use of the life. How many years we can use? Up to 10 years we can use this. So you are supposed to divide by number of years as well as number of kilometers run. Now, last one. The last one is what? Power consumption. 12 units per hour is used. Per hour only we need. And rate per unit is 3.5. Easy. 12 units per hour. Per hour how many units we use? 12. What is the price? 3.5. It will be power consumption. Power consumption. 12 units per hour multiplied with rate per unit is 3.5. 3.5. So how much it is? 3.5 multiplied with 12. I got 42. So highest one. And everything you will get your answer. 22.8 plus 5 plus 0.2 plus 42. I got 70. Your total machine hour rate is 70 rupees. Got it? Easiest one. This will come for 10 marks in your question paper or in your examination. Now I'll go back to all the previous slides so that you can take screenshot. This is your problem number 2. Your solution part. So this is all about your today's session. Hope you understood. Yes. So please work out same problem at your home. Thank you.